What is going on, guys? So today the day has finally come. The tracks are for sale. Take a look at the link in the description below if you want to get yourself a set. I've got the first batch of 5 here ready to go. I've got enough PLA parts printed for another 5. Got plenty of bearings and supplies, so I'm going to try to keep doing 5 full sets a week. Last week I also went and picked up a second 3D printer so I can try to keep up a little better with your guys' demand. I know a lot of you want a set of these and I want to get them to you as quick as humanly possible. I'm trying to build these around my 9 to 5, and of course, you know, you have other things that get in the way, but I'm going to try to stick to my schedule of 5 a week as long as the printers can keep up and I can keep up. So today's video, nice, short and sweet. We're not going to do any running or anything, but soon I'll get the Jeep with the tracks outdoors, maybe introduce a new truck to the fleet, and just do some more content with it. You know, I'm just trying to balance all this stuff right now. So stick around. If you want a set, hop down in the description. I hope you can get one from the first batch here. I'm really excited to start shipping these out. Each set of tracks is going to come with a special wheel nut tool in the spare parts bag. I'm sure you'll know what I mean once you see the packaging if you purchase a set. And that is just because you need a very deep wrench to get into this cog gear to tighten your nuts. So if you get them and you're like, oh, you know, I'm curious, how do I install these things? Well, there is a little 3D printed wheel nut wrench, and actually mine is downstairs, but it just looks like a little tube. So if you got a question about that, or any questions, of course, feel free, send me a message, let me know what you're thinking. Yeah, and if you guys purchase one of this first batch, one of these first sets, I will go ahead and get this shipped out for you by Monday or Tuesday. I don't want to put, you know, pre-orders or anything like that up on Etsy. Like if there's quantity available, I'm going to have them sitting here ready to ship out as soon as possible, because I don't want you guys waiting. You know, once you buy it, once you spend your money, I want to get these things out to you. So that's today's video. Nothing special, just letting you know they are for sale. We're on the right track, and I hope I can get these in the hands of you guys who really want them and are really going to enjoy them, and I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Also, I wanted to put a note in here regarding spare parts. If you need any spare parts, you end up breaking anything, whatever the case may be, just send me a message. We'll work something out. I would also like to set up my Etsy page to have each and every spare component on there, so, you know, streamline the process a bit, but that may take a little time as well. So they are relatively durable, you know, for what they are. They're 3D printed material, but if you got them on the truck and it falls off a ledge like my desk here or something, you know, I have cracked a single chassis doing something like that. So try to avoid large falls, but in my opinion, they're pretty durable, they're pretty robust, and I really haven't had too many issues with them. So thanks again for coming by. If you're buying a set, thank you so much for supporting this. I love building these. I love doing things like this. And the more I can sell, the more I can distribute, the more money I can put back into it and try to design more, you know, move some more products for you guys, and just make this an overall great experience for the both of us. So thanks again for coming by. Subscribe if you want more updates, more projects, and I will see you soon.